So you're approaching graduation, you finish, and then you do a little trip and you kind of get to the city and the training starts and what reality sinks in. What's it like during training? And then once you hit the desk, what's it like?
Yeah. Training was still a lot of fun. Like
same with us when we were in
yeah,
Rochester. Yeah, it's a
yeah.
blast.
I think it's, you have a lot of energy because you're in New York. You're living in New York. You're getting paid, but like it's more or less a 9 to 5. Like it's super chill. And everyone's like ready to go drink every day. It's actually like quite exhausting from the social element, not so much the training. And then we use training the street, so we had like kind of I guess after like, I think it was a 3-week program, we had like a presentation with a team where I think we were analyzing Coach and Tiffany. I think everyone did that.
Okay.
But yeah, overall it was good. I would say like coming in from McIntyre, I had some of the kind of finance already down, and then having been there a summer. But most of the learning occurs on the job.